Crude oil and nat gas both have traded bullish today, and as we discussed in the Asia session update today morning, that above $72 the target is still towards. See, it is still got the resistance at 72.873 precisely from achieving the 72.8. It has got the resistance there, and if it breaks past, certainly more bullishness can be expected still. And at the same time, nat gas also has come down till towards 2.36 level. Beyond that, 2.4 were the targets. I hope you all profited there. Now, what to expect today in crude oil and net gas, which position you should take with the US session, and how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live analysis. Also, this is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. You can also get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into US, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts here. You can find this was the first rally, then consolidation, then second rally. Now it is in the zone of consolidation, and once it stays above 73, that is the level beyond which you can buy. But then also see here 73.6, 73.8 and 74, these are the two resistances very nearby, because beyond 74 we may see crude flying again. Hence one has to remain cautious and watchful. Now if you look at, see the bottom of this consolidation zone, 71 is the last support here. Till 71, do not consider crude as bearish for the day. It has taken a turn and possibly staying above 73. More bullishness can be expected there till 73.8, 74 levels. See, directional movement bullish here. Stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts, hence a little pullback cannot be denied. MACD, it is rising, it is divergent, bullish. And if you look at RSI very near to the top, and on the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, C2 bullish candle, it has come back in this zone consolidation and then this breakout, and certainly above 73 more bullishness can be expected. Now see 72, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. Hence if it stays below 72, little bearishness can be expected, but it is still not bearish for the day till it stays above 71 levels. And hence if you are taking a short entry at 72, one has to exercise extra caution, as it can show you a pullback there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD, see MACD has taken a crossover, trying to trade with divergence. We had discussed this, that this is the first wave, second wave can be expected. Right now it is looking upwards for a second wave. RSI flat, and on the 3-hour charts likewise couple of bullishness. See the bottom there, the retracement, and this one bullish candle. Now possibly it can try to trade again sideways before looking forward to another breakout. Directional movement bullish, stochastic rising, MACD willing to crossover, and here also this is the second wave which is going to take place, which might pull the prices higher. RSI here also it's flat, and on the 4-hour charts also similar is the story, nothing different. Support there on the downside till 71, 72 is very strong. Directional movement bullish, stochastic rising, MACD again trying to cross over for a buy, RSI flat, and on the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See here also the crude is trading in this box, and hence 74, 75 levels it needs to break past by. Once it stays above 75, certainly you can say that US crude has decided the direction that it is going to fly high for the next level at around 80, 82. But right now it is very much trading in this box. This is a consolidation levels. At the same time, if you look at the movements, see formation of bottom here, and it is trading in this bullish channel, and hence it is most likely to close or cross 75 levels very soon, possibly. Or this could be a reversal if it stays above 73 today, and the next candle also appears to be green. We can expect more bullishness henceforth. Directional movement bearish, stochastic flat also, and MACD crossing over for a buy, looking upwards. It is indicating little bullishness there. RSI also flat. Considering this, now I will recommend you to buy at 73 and sell at 72. But in fact, if you are selling at 72, this is just a retracement. You should exercise extra caution for 71.8, 71.5, 71 levels as the maximum support. And only if you see it trading below 71, you can consider that it is reversed and it is going to hit 70 again on the downside. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profit, you should join our mentorship batch. 23rd batch is going to start on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Again, reach out to the same IDs for more details. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. Clearly, trading with this bullish bias in this bullish channel. and on the upside you can see 2.4 levels are the resistance there, and 2.25 now is the support. And we had discussed multiple times that I'll remain bullish in net gas till the time it respects 2.06. One can expect net gas to fly high, and precisely this time again, after consolidating at 2.3, it has given a good breakout. Hence for now 2.3 is going to be the support, and only if it trades below 2.3 you should take a sell entry, else possibility of a rise exists. Also, it is right now trading in this near term channel, and hence above 2.36 you can buy. Expect 2.4 levels as the next target, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside. See, moving average is also crossed over. This is a bullish sign. Directional movement bullish, stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI very near to the top. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also see higher highs, candle size increasing. It is willing to give a breakout here, staying above 2.36. Possibly we are looking at 2.4 levels, my favorite, the next resistance. Also, if you look at, we have to remain watchful within the channel here. So 2.38, 2.4 levels are the next resistance level. Beyond 2.4, sky is the limit. Direction movement bullish, stochastic overbought here on the 2-hour charts, and hence one has to watch here. Directional move or MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI looking upwards. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, similarly giving a tail. Again, it is trying to rise. 2.3 is the support for now, below which you can take a sell. Same bullishness is seen, overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. So everything it is bullish, but yes, a couple of near-term charts you can find out it is overbought, and hence well, see, being overbought calls for a little retracement, but right now it has got on the upside lot much to achieve on the upside. Beyond 2.4 also it can try to exceed. Hence, staying above 2.36, just stay long. Direction movement here is bullish. Stochastic here is overbought. MACD bullish. RSI looking here also looking upwards and indicating bullishness. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, it has crossed over the 20 period moving average, which are the little resistance at 2.3536. Now aiming for the next resistance at 2.4 levels. 2.4 is a very good resistance here. Also, if you look at it, is trying to trade in this bullish channel. So 2.4, achieving 2.4, we may see a little resistance on the downside. The support is there till 2.25, only below which you can expect that to turn bearish, else it is still in the bullish zone. Here also there is a crossover for the buy. The RSI is stochastic is also looking up. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry, and RSI is also looking upwards. Considering this, for the day the sell entry is below 2.3 and buy at 2.36, but then 2.4 is something I look forward to. That is the greater resistance. Beyond 2.4, if it stays, we can see it flying high again. Remember, the long term trades for net gas are still indicating bullishness, and possibly in a month or so we can see it aiming high above $3 levels also. That is my expectation. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss for the day. Stay long about 2.36, short below 2.3 levels, but on the upside 2.38, 2.4 are a very good resistance. Beyond 2.4, more bullishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.